In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Trello cards. We'll start on the Trello homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll see your workspace navigation down the left side. Look for the boards option there and click it. That takes you to a list of boards you have access to, which is where you'll pick the place you want to work. Choose an existing board that makes sense for your task. In this walkthrough, I'm opening a board titled Tasks to Do. Once the board loads, locate the specific card you want to enrich with an attachment. I'll open a card called Study Algebra. Clicking the card opens its Details panel on the right, which is where most card-level actions live. Inside the card, find the Attachment option. Depending on your screen size, it might appear directly as a button, or you may see it within a menu of available actions. Click Attachment to open the attachment tools. First, you can select a file from your computer. Choose a file if what you need is saved locally, maybe a PDF, an image, or a document. Your system's file picker will open so you can navigate to the right folder. After you select the file and confirm, Trello uploads it and adds it to the card's activity stream. You'll see a thumbnail or file name appear right away when the upload is complete, so you know it worked. Alternatively, you can attach a link. Paste a URL from any website. This is perfect for online resources, cloud documents, or reference pages you want quick access to. When you paste a link, you can also provide display text. This is optional, but helpful. Instead of showing a long URL, you can label it with something clear like Chapter 2 Practice Set or Reference Guide. That small bit of formatting makes your card easier to scan later, especially if you add multiple links. You also have the option to attach another Trello card. This is useful when two tasks relate to each other and you want to jump between them quickly. Choose a board, pick the list and card you want to reference, and attach it. Trello will display it as a linked card on your current card, creating a handy connection without duplicating work. Once you've chosen the attachment method you need, go ahead and close the attachment window or popover. Your attachments stay on the card, visible in the card's details. Back on the board view, hover your mouse over the Study Algebra card. You'll notice small icons appear, including an attachment icon near the due date area. Clicking that icon jumps straight to the attachments within the card, which is a quick shortcut when you're moving fast and want to open or manage files without scrolling. If you need to add more attachments, open the card again and click Add to bring in additional files, links, or Trello cards. This keeps everything related to the task in one place. To remove an attachment you no longer need, open the card, find the specific item, and click the three-dotted button next to it. This opens a small menu with actions for that item. Choose Remove to delete that attachment from the card. Trello will ask you to confirm. Click Remove again to finalize it. The attachment disappears from the list, leaving only what's still relevant. And that's all you need to confidently attach, review, add, and remove files or links on your Trello cards.